so I'm out morel hunting. It's a bit early in the season. It's really early. Need to buy some forest boots. I just walked over a plantation here, and there are often a lot of morels on the plantation sites. I didn't see anything. I saw a lot of wild boars has gone bonkers. Skull fragment, horn, cool, or antler. Piece of skull attached to it. Cool. I'm gonna bring home actually. Not too bad. A jaw from a wild boar. Big nice teeth. Didn't bring the gloves either. Those are cool. Been gnawed upon. Large teeth. I don't know what I can use it for. It looks like similar to a scythe. Really cool. Here's the other jaw. That's really cool. So where's the rest of it? There's some wild boar poop. Couldn't imagine that there were gonna be bone and antler here. Where did I put my car keys? Crap. There, cool. I'm gonna put that in my bag. I think it's an old piece from moose skull. I see something up there that's really white. I don't think it's plastic trash. Oh, it's a large bone. Here's the wild boars being poking around, so I have to move to another place to find morels. There's a lot of chanterelles here in the woods. And there's a lot of wild boars. Yeah, it's a large, I don't know, what's it called, femur bone? You know, the thigh bone. Look here. Oh. Large bones. I seldom find these, really seldom. Don't see any tooth marks on them. Nothing at all actually. If it would be a predator, it should have teeth marks on them. I know the wild boars, they gnaw upon bones and everything, carcasses. I don't think I'm gonna find somewhere else here. Yeah, in a couple of weeks. There hasn't been much heat this year, not here. Here you can see them been underneath the tree, poking around. Look for, I don't know, some kind of fungi roots or worms and stuff. A lot of tracks of them everywhere. It's not that hard to see where the animal has gone through the woods. I'm not a hunter, but most people understand why it looks like this on the ground, you see. Most people does. No. I think I'm gonna have to go to another place. Higher grounds. I don't want to drive 100 kilometers today. It's afternoon and got other stuff to attend to. But see, tree fungus. It's only a couple of Celsius degrees outside today. Been pretty cold for a few weeks. Cold for be springtime. Here I've been searching for, I don't know what kind of a mushroom they're looking for, but when I'm out walking in the woods and to pick mushrooms, sometimes I can really smell that there's something beneath the moss, really strong. I don't know what kind of mushroom it is. It's like egg-shaped and it stinks really heavy. Coloration from light brown to black. I've never seen them before, except for down here. Wild boar poop. Yep. Ticka. I don't know the Latin name for them. I have no idea. Fresh one, living one. Oh, and another big one on the tree down there. Oh, don't know about this. Nothing. Not much has started to grow. Some early blossoms, but the trees haven't. What do you call it? When they get the ears, the mouse ears on the trees, when they grow. I don't know what that stage is called. I can't remember what's it called. You see, there's nothing on the trees there yet. And I like to eat morels. It's really good. 2 years ago I picked, I don't know, 40 pounds or something. I picked a lot of just morels. Then chanterelles I picked, I don't know how many, 100, 150 pounds or something. Pretty much. But not when there's this amount of wild boars in the woods. No. No good. You can find small patches of chanterelles and that the pigs have missed, but yeah. We have some hare's poop. I can hear a bird of prey calling or screeching. I have my hearing aids in my ear. I don't have aids in my ear, but I have hearing aids. Oh yeah, here it is. I think it's there it is. There's two of them. Look at that. It's an owl. An owl flew there, and there was another bird up there. Cool, a really large one. I'm able to see them up here. I can smell something. Animals. I'm not joking. It's not moose, it's something else. They've been rubbing on the trees. Even if I smoke my pipe and tobacco, I have a pretty good sense of smell. wild animals have a certain smell, right? You can almost smell the fur of them. Someone has scooted down from there, down from up there. There it is. No, it's not an owl, it's something else. I think it's a glada. It's a field predatory bird. Eats small mice and stuff. Up here I found some larger chanterelles and what's it called? King. I don't know what's it called. Really large, thick body mushroom, real good. It's good to see the amount of animal dung on the ground. It's really good. Can't see much here. No, this is the wrong habitat for morels. Totally wrong. Something like this. Trees spread apart. It's really dry up here, so it's a little bit of an issue also. I think I'm gonna go pike fishing tomorrow. My light fishing gear. You have to occupy yourself when you're unemployed for a little while. Do some fishing, out some picking some mushrooms, building something. What's this? Some random trash. And bring that to a car and throw it away. Strange how trash ends up in a forest. It doesn't look like it's been here for a long time. There's some tooth marks on it. Someone played around with it. Or something. More pigs been here. Or wild boars. Oh, it's too many wild boar tracks. It's too much. I think I have to relocate to the western part of the area. Haven't seen much tracks there from wild boars. Bit torn up the ground, the moss and everything. I don't think it looked like this last year. I do not think that. The small forest flowers, white ones. Called vitsippa. Or skogsstjärna, forest star. Something like that. I tattooed a couple of them on mostly women in Sweden. No. I'm gonna search the top part of the plantation area to see if there are any tracks of morels. I really like the taste of morels. Texture also perfect for stews and thicker soups. I want to find at least like, I don't know, 10 pounds or something, and I just dry them up in my food dehydrator. Use them for the rest of the year. Really good. I do that with all kinds of mushrooms. You have mushrooms all the year. Oh, another bone. Looks like a vertebrae. A piece of the spine. Yep, it is. Either from a moose or from a really large wild boar. What kind? I don't know. Oop. With small fragments in it. Oh, no trace of any morels, nothing. No mushrooms at all, so it's a couple of weeks early. More poop. Yeah. I saw a badger the other day. Around where I have my apartment. Pretty fun. Didn't have anything to throw to him, but yeah. Some more early flowers. So there's some life here. Similar areas or similar grounds to this, I found hella lot of morels. Easy to walk through. I think it's too early, way too early. Another inedible mushroom. I don't know the Latin names on so many species, but no, it's too early in the season. A couple of more weeks. There's not much planted here. In the rows, nothing. Or they have been eaten. Highly doubt that, but more poop. Oh, good mushroom. First of the year for me. Look. Gone bonkers here. Trying to dig to China. Oh well. I had a quick little walk. Found an antler, that's something. Can do some fun stuff with that. I have a few to make some knife handles and stuff. Well, see you another time.